I'm Dr. Deukmedjian with the Deuk Spine Institute, CEO and founder. And our patient here spends some time in New York and some time in Florida. We call them snowbirds. And he had the Deuk Laser Disc Repair done on the cervical spine. He had a couple of damaged discs, but one of them in particular was herniated, causing neck pain and pain down his arm, weakness in the arm. We went in with the laser. We found the herniations. I used the laser to clean everything up and remove the herniations. We did a debridement of the annulus. And how do you feel?
Not bad, not bad. I was very apprehensive yet excited to have the surgery. It came out a lot better than I even thought. Anesthesia was perfect. Your anesthesiologist is really good. I walked even last night for a little while after the surgery, which I couldn't believe. And I really didn't have any problems with my throat that I thought I would either.
The problems with swallowing and hoarseness come from open surgery, invasive surgery like ACDF or artificial disc. But you can see we did a 4mm incision. We went in and basically removed all the herniations, and now it's going to allow your disc to heal naturally. No metal, no fusion, no bleeding.
That's another reason why I did this. I didn't want to be fused. I didn't want a disc replacement. Wanted to see if I can do it easiest as possible, and I think I did. It was the right move.
If you had a fusion or disc replacement, you would be pretty messed up right now, and you'd be on narcotic painkillers. Are you on any narcotic painkillers right now?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Advil.
Just an Advil, that's it.
That's it.
So what's life going to be like for you now that you are fixed?
I have a 5th grandboy, hopefully on Thursday, coming to that I'll get to see. Heading north in the summertime to hopefully get back to doing my boating that I like to do.
You're a coach, and coaches pride themselves on preparation.
Correct.
How did you prepare for your visit at Deuk Spine Institute?
Did as much research as I could beforehand of all the different avenues for me, and then when I found you guys, the Zoom call was fantastic. He was the only one to actually show me on my MRI. Everybody else just looked at the MRI, came in and said what they wanted to do to you instead of showing you what was wrong with you. So I thought the education process from him to myself really gave me the confidence to say that that's where I want to go.
Anything you want to say in closing to your family and friends out there?
Anybody else that needs some type of surgery, please try this first before you try anything else.
Thanks for sharing your story with us.